Ever pondered over the significance of data centers, storages, servers, and network equipment in our contemporary world? Delve into the intricate web of these tech marvels and you'll soon realize they are the digital lifeblood of our society. From streaming your favorite shows to enabling complex financial transactions, they play a pivotal role, silently yet efficiently. In this complex landscape of digital infrastructure, Xyon stands as a beacon of expertise and quality. With a global footprint, Xyon maintains and manages data centers, storages, servers, and network equipment, ensuring the smooth functioning of the digital world we inhabit. Imagine a bustling data center, a network of servers humming with activity, brimming with data from every corner of the globe. This is the realm where Xyon excels, providing unparalleled service and support. Skilled engineers and technicians equipped with cutting-edge tools and backed by years of experience are the driving force behind Xyon's success. Xyon does not merely maintain equipment, it nurtures relationships, forges partnerships, and establishes trust. A client's problem becomes Xyon's challenge, a challenge that the team meets head-on with a solution-oriented mindset. From the icy realms of the Arctic to the scorching deserts, Xyon's reach spans the globe. Regardless of geographical boundaries or time zones, Xyon ensures seamless operation of your digital infrastructure. But Xyon's prowess is not confined to maintenance alone. The company is a pioneer in upgrading and modernizing digital infrastructure, keeping pace with the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Xyon ensures your data centers, storages, servers, and network equipment are not just functional, but future-ready. The story of Xyon is one of relentless dedication, ceaseless innovation, and a commitment to excellence. It is a story of making the world more connected, more efficient, and more technologically advanced. It is a story that is still being written, with every server maintained, every data center managed, and every network equipment serviced. As we conclude this journey into the world of Xyon, remember that the realm of data centers, storages, servers, and network equipment is ever evolving. To stay abreast with the latest developments, subscribe to our channel. For a deeper dive into how Xyon can revolutionize your digital infrastructure, visit our website. Join us as we continue to explore, innovate, and shape the digital world.